So this is how to make my favorite whipped body butter, and it is ridiculously easy and simple to make. I'll be using the whole 8-ounce shea butter today, and we double package all of our products so that it's fresh and not messy when the customer receives it. I start off first by cutting it into smaller pieces that I can put into the bowl that I'll be using, or in this case the calabash. And I prefer using shea butter that is soft like this one because it makes the body butter smoother and it's much easier to work with as well. I'm doing this cold whipped without heat. I just want to make sure the shea butter retains all the natural nutrients and benefits. And I'll be adding about 1 tablespoon of virgin coconut oil, which is rich in fatty acids to improve the glow of the skin. About 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, about 1 tablespoon of tea tree oil, and about 1 tablespoon of essential lavender oil. Then I'll just whip it for about 5 minutes until it's soft and smooth. Finished, I prefer to put it into a jar, so I'll just scoop it and put it into a plastic bag, cut the tip of it and squeeze it into my jar. And this is how I make my favorite body butter.